In this video, I will show you how to redeem Merge Tower defense codes. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Roblox on your device, and then from here, go ahead and search for Merge Tower defense. So on the results, go ahead and click on Merge Tower of Defense by Merge Empire, and then click on this play button. Now once you're inside Merge Tower Defense, you'll be redirected into this section. So in here, as you can see, you'll find these tools at the left side of your screen, such as the shop, the XP, and the medal. So on the shop, you can go ahead and buy items and give items as well to your friends. So we'll need to close this up since the redeem section is not in here. So to be able to access the redeem section, you need to close this. Then open the inbox first to be able to claim all of your unclaimed rewards. And after you claim this, you'll find the button at the left side of inbox. So click on that, and that will allow you to redeem codes on Merge Tower Defense. So in here, you just need to enter the code and then click on that redeem button. So you can get codes from the MDT community. And that is how you can basically redeem Merge Tower Defense codes.